They are neck deep in corruption and they never lose an opportunity to misuse facilities given to them. Yes, we're talking about West Bengal's TMC legislators. Uttarpara TMC MLA Kanchan Malik has submitted 6 lakh rupees hospital bill for daughter's birth under the Assembly's medical reimbursement policy. The bill includes 4 lakh doctor's fees and 2 lakh hospital charges for childbirth at South Kolkata Private Hospital. But this has created a furore. Questions are being raised as to how come the legislator has put up a bill of such an exorbitant amount. Even the voices can be heard within TMC also, who too are in a dismay over the bill. Trinamool leaders in hushed tones are admitting to the incident, causing embarrassment to the ruling party, where a lot of importance is still attached to ideals such as simple living, high thinking and austerity in public life. And this is not for the first time. Even in the past, TMC legislators have put up questionable medical reimbursement bills. In 2013, a TMC MLA, Sabitri Mitra, put up a bill to the tune of 1 lakh rupees for spectacles. After much furore, Assembly Speaker Biman Banerjee has finally confirmed that the bill is under scrutiny. We are examining all submitted documents. If required, we will summon the hospital authorities or the doctor for clarification. But then, how far is it justified to reimburse active politician personal medical bills from taxpayers' money? BJP has strongly condemned the TMC government over the issue. 2, 3 or more of our children will occupy a single bed and live in misery, while this government will pay for their own children's astronomical expenses with the money of Bengal's taxpayers, said the BJP's Sajal Ghosh. It is noteworthy here that West Bengal is intentionally not implementing the centre's Ayushman Bharat scheme, and the sole reason is that it does not want the credit of the scheme to go to the PM. But after depriving the people of West Bengal of a national public healthcare insurance scheme, TMC ministers are now putting up inflated medical bills as if mocking the people of West Bengal.